Okay, so the lights just went out because it's storming really bad. It's rainy season here in Honduras. I walked into the living room and found somebody on the floor.
Hey!
Who is this? It's Ever on the floor with Samson.
With a pair of glasses, I can see nothing. Hey! Crazy boy.
So, what'd you say? You sleep here with Samson?
Sometimes.
You can't see very much of him because of this light, but...
I can't see nothing either. I need my glasses.
Linda.
Samson, what are you doing? Oh, I say, take me a
He's a
picture,
puppy.
baby.
How long are the lights normally out for?
I don't know, maybe 2 hours. Maybe all day, all night long.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a weird sound outside. There they are. Best buddies.
No.
Mama like to see this.
Hey, keep kissing me. You.
See, they're all cuddled together.
Tell them that I sleep like this.
He sleeps like that.
It look like that I am sleeping.
Good Sammy.
Some sleep like that. See? Like this, you say. Hola, amigos. We have fun here in Central America.
When the lights are off.
The light it up.
Okay.